Several Texas laws passed this year and will have an impact on Texas politics and voters' decisions for several years to come. That includes the most restrictive abortion law in the nation, new voting regulations, and bills to fix our power grid after its failure back in February. KXAN's Maggie Glenn reports on how these three topics could continue to dominate Texas politics in the new year.
The Texas abortion law made national headlines this year. It allows any citizen to sue anyone who aids or abets an abortion after fetal cardiac activity is detected in the womb. It's still in effect for now, after the Supreme Court sent it back to work its way through district court in Texas. But a future Supreme Court decision in the spring on the Mississippi Dobbs case could make the topic a pivotal campaign point in 2022. That's because Texas has another law already in place that if the High Court overturns Roe v. Wade, all abortions in Texas will be banned.
If the Supreme Court makes a decision that essentially leads Texas to outlaw the practice of abortion in the state, it's going to be hard for it not to be center stage as one of the issues in the 2022 campaign.
Texas passed new voting regulations this year, too, banning 24-hour and drive-through voting and added requirements for voting by mail. The Texas Politics Project expects Democrats to keep this issue at the forefront of their campaigns.
As long as Democrats at the national level can't come to terms with whether or how to address voting rights, it's going to remain a part of the conversation.
Another issue that affected millions of Texans last February, the failure of our power grid.
We should expect Democrats to continue talking about the winter storm and the aftermath because they want to make the 22 election as much as they can a referendum on the incumbent administration.
Democrats already attacking Republicans, saying the bills passed to fix the grid won't do enough.
We need to fix the grid, which means weatherizing every single aspect of power supply, from the generators, owned and operated by the utilities, to the actual supply of power, including, most importantly, the gas supply in Texas.
But the governor and ERCOT both say the bills that were passed that require most entities to weatherize, but not all, will keep the lights on this winter.
Bottom line is that everything that needed to be done was done to fix the power grid in Texas.
Maggie Glenn, KXAN News.